If you have an iPhone,
You're out.
go ahead and download audio emojis and you can hop back in.
I'll wait.
Welcome back. This is If I'm Talking About You, You're Out.
0% win edition.
Good luck, guys.
Number 2, if you have an Android or Google phone. Number 3, comment an emoji in 3, 2, 1.
If you didn't comment an emoji.
You're out. This is not how things run around here.
Number 4, if somebody sent you this video, you're out.
Get pranked.
Getting harder now, though.
Pause.
Number 5,
What is the third app that pops up when you hit share copy link on this video?
3, 2, 1.
If it is the Notes app, go ahead and open up Notes and type I'm a loser.
Number 6, this is a test of speed. You gotta comment I love audio emojis in
3, 2.
1, I don't believe you did it. There's no way. There's no way.
No one types that fast.
0%. Told you. I told you it's 0%. Big shout out to everyone who downloaded from the last video and sent us proof.
You're the real winners.
If you want to be in the next video,
You know what to do. Better luck.